Welcome to Mechanical Simulation Corner. In this video, I will show you how to make a floor vase, 3D floor vase like this. So this is our assignment problem of our university. You can see this is the bottom view, this is front view, and this is the top view. All the dimensions are given here. This is top plane, this is plane 1, plane 2, plane 3, and plane 4. And this is the distance from top plane to plane 1 will be 50, then plane 2 100, 150, then 200, like this. And the first radius will be 90, then second radius, here will be a second radius, it will be 40, and this radius will be 60. Sorry, diameter, not radius. This sign means this is the diameter, and here R1 means the radius. So take part. At first you need to make plane. Click on top plane as your first reference. The distance from every plane will be 50. You need total 4 plane. Now click on OK. Now click on plane 1 sketch, center rectangle, then give the dimension 30. OK, sketch is ready. Now click on plane 2, again sketch, make a circle, diameter 90. Plane 3, do the same thing. Now our sketch is complete. Now you need to use the feature lofted base. Click here, select the profiles. You need to lofted, sketch 1, sketch 2, sketch 3, sketch 4. So you can see the preview if you select show preview. Now click on OK. You can hide this plane. Now we need to make a hollow here. So click on shell, 2, click on the face 1. OK. Now you can see. Now click on fillet. 1. Click on apply. OK. Now again click here. So our object is ready. You can change the color.